Right, so welcome to our fantastic Indian series where we cook delicious Indian food that quite possibly is better than a takeaway.
Okay guys, welcome back again. This time we're doing Balti. So, let's get into it.
Again, I'm just gonna stand here.
I'll get him to add the sauce in for me.
I'm the sauce boy.
So, drizzle of oil. I'll give him some peppers. There we go, 4. Some peppers, some onions. She's coming up to heat there nicely.
There you go.
Thank you.
I know you feel lost there.
My spoon holder. I have a professional spoon holder.
Yeah, see look, I have all sorts of spoons in stock. Literally in stock.
And then we're gonna go garlic and ginger, some garam masala, some methi.
It's interesting, see I would have fried out, me
sauce.
personally, I would have fried out the onions and peppers, but I suppose it makes sense because you still want a bit of bite to them.
Exactly that, yeah. And if you think about how long we reduced the sauce for.
Yeah, it's
then,
still softening them.
Yeah.
And that's my problem, especially when it comes to stir fries and stuff. I know it's not a stir fry, but I have a habit of overcooking the vegetables and stuff, and then by the time it's finished,
yeah, you're wondering,
oh, I've lost all the crunch.
Yeah, that's
Sorry,
it. No, you're fine. You're absolutely talk away. I'm all right. So we're gonna get some lime pickle. Get a nice spoon of that in there.
Go on, I'm gonna have to have it. Sorry, I just cut right across you. This stuff was absolutely delicious. Problem with this,
Drop of passata. Couple of tablespoons worth.
I was only saying to George off camera that, oh look at that, a bit of flame and everything, boy.
Oh, that went in my eye. We'll get some curry sauce there now from Andrew.
Oh, sorry, I was about to talk about that, but anyway.
We turn that down a tad. Yeah, see them onions are already starting to drop a bit.
Yeah. Ready? How many would you like?
We go for 3.
Who knows? Does. Says. I don't know what it is in Indian, so you're not getting over me in Indian.
I actually don't know.
A hen of door tree in Irish. Nah, that smells delicious. So that is almost smelling the same as
Luna.
Yes.
Almost.
Yeah.
Almost. It wouldn't be far off it, because this is just the next one up. So we get our chicken in. We get a little bit of the chicken juice as well.
So are we adding any extra spice to this, or?
So I've added garam masala, garlic and ginger, and methi leaves. And then and you've got your salt and passata and the lime pickle.
Oh yes, so the lime pickle. Yes,
Ooh,
okay.
I have forgotten one thing though. Tomatoes.
Please help. George is returning from the fridge.
I'm back. So we're just gonna get a wedge of tomato, and that can go in there as well.
Just one?
Just one. So you'd be surprised how much one tomato can alter the flavour and give it a slight sour note.
Yeah.
And we don't want it to be too much, so.
Actually, with the last one we cooked, but I can't remember the name of, the
Buna, yeah.
Because of the passata, it gave it that.
Exactly that. So we've added the passata as well to this.
Yeah.
But now we've gone an extra slice of tomato. So it slightly bulks out the curry.
Yeah.
But it also gives you another hint of sourness. And this is how you get your levels in the curries. A little bit of this and a little bit of that.
I know, baby, that's what I like.
Uh-huh. So we just let that reduce there now for a minute.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I think we have enough in there. So I would like to turn this up a little bit more, but I don't want to destroy the kitchen. It spits everywhere.
This cooker is lovely, but it's an absolute pain. Oh, hold on, speaking of cooker, turn the extractor.
Oh yeah, extractor might
It's
help.
an absolute pain to keep, well, you can't keep it clean, but cleaning it, strip it all off, put it all to pieces, but anyway, it's like a labour of love. Right, well, while you're
His
doing
extractor is so good that if you go anywhere near it, it sucks you in.
While you're doing that, George,
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab a few bits
Lovely.
to plate up.
So you can see where where all the bubbles are, this is your water that's coming
Yeah.
off. And so yeah, you're just kind of trying to get it down a bit further than that. We'll give it another minute or two. But we'll be looking good. We'll just scrape it all back into the middle there.
Right, so we're just going to reduce this for another minute or two, get it plated, and join us right back. Right, so quick clear down, and we're back to the tasting board.
The tasting board,
This
I like
time, saffron rice.
that. With a chicken balti.
This looks and smells delicious.
I will say, yeah, this is so this is the first one of the curries that kind of gets into more volume rather than just meat and sauce.
Yeah, there's kind of a bit more body to it. So you have the peppers, you have the onions, and
This is it, yeah. And then there's the lime pickle to give it that extra dimension. So yeah, dig in.
well, I'm just going to have a bit of sauce.
I was going to say, we do the same, we just stick with the sauce for now.
Yeah.
Get a bit of coriander on there.
This is going to be hot.
You'd hope so. Sure. Not spicy hot, heat hot, because it's just been cooked. Oh yeah. See how different that is now again?
Completely different. And you can tell it's the tomato.
Yes. Yeah. Absolutely. There's that little kick. You can tell the lime pickle is in there.
I'll tell you what the lime pickle has done is it's introduced a lot of salt. It kind of tastes...
Yeah, well, no, I did put salt in there as well.
Yeah, but like it's... Yeah.
Yeah, the lime, it absolutely does though, you're correct, yeah, because there is, as part of that jarred pickle, there is quite a bit of salt in there.
Right, I'm going to go for...
Let me see if we can get a knob of chicken out.
Yeah, but I want a bit of onion as well. Come on, out you come. Right, let you get stuck in there, George.
Yeah, I'll try and do the same. I get a bit of onion and pepper. Right. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Again, that chicken is just, yeah, melting in your mouth.
Saffron rice isn't bad either. Dog a complete afterthought.
Don't dress it up any bit, like, or make it like that it actually is that nice. It's just alright, like. The problem is when you have something like that next to it.
Yeah,
That
this
is,
is
well,
it.
it's obviously it's the start of the show, it should be.
Go again, go again.
We go on again, away.
I'm calling it, lads. That is as good as restaurant Balti. There's no getting around it, it just is.
That is absolutely delicious.
So would that be a dish that you would have had from an Indian before?
Yes.
You've had a Balti?
So I've had korma, tikka masala, balti, buna, jalfrezi. I've had nearly all of them, bar, we'll say, Madras and Vindaloo.
Yeah, yeah. Have you had a sagwala?
Yes, I've had
Ah,
some
yes,
of that.
okay, yeah. So in your opinion, does that match what you've had in the past from a Balti?
I'm actually starting to think that if we've got mother sauce left, could be Indian for dinner tomorrow.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Not bad.
But which one we're gonna do,
No, it's up to yourself, yeah.
we'll have to...
Keep up with the socials to find out.
Right, guys, that's the end of this episode of our Indian journey.
Yeah, that's number 3.
3.
That's number 3.
That's our Balti with our saffron rice. So hopefully you're playing along at home and you're giving it a shot.
Yeah.
So, next one.
Yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Hold on, my turn. Ingredients.
Hey!
There we
Do the
go.
mighty Caramod's rain fingers.
Right, guys, thanks very much. See you in episode 4.
Bye.